guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're discussing my 10-month lock journey, micro lock journey update. So I just did my hair yesterday. It took me 2 days because after 3 hours I have had it. And the reason why it took me 2 days, I have gotten into the habit of only doing the front of my head and not touching the back since I was traveling, and it was a mess back there. So the moral of the story is never wait too much to touch the back. It took me 3 hours to figure that out back there, but it's figured out. And in month 10, this is what my hair looks like. This month I've decided to interlock my entire head. If you've been following my journey, you know that I palm roll the front and interlock the back. But what I was noticing that the front starting to swell here on the top, like towards the root, it was getting really thick, but I wanted to be like uniform. So I went ahead and interlocked it, and I wanted to give my edges a break. So I decided not to palm roll it because I do this one style, this to the side here, and it's a little hard on my edges. So I've decided to give my edges a break by interlocking it, which will keep it neater longer. So I do the 2-point rotation this way down. That's all I do. And this is what we're looking at. I finished yesterday. This is month 10. Oh, isn't it neat? Even the back of my head, let me see if I can turn around. Even the back of my head is nice and neat. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So what has been going on in month 10? Lint. I do wear a scarf at night, but for some reason my hair picks up lint, and I'm not liking the lint thing. The lint thing is working my nerves. I don't know if you can see it. I see lint that I need to go sit there and pick out because it's gonna bother me. But I've been picking up lint. I feel like my hair is getting like this grayish color. It's not like pitch black anymore, but maybe it's me. But it looks a little grayish to me. The swelling has stopped. It's not swelling anymore. I don't notice it getting any bigger. Look at the lint. You see that? Yeah, lint. It's not getting bigger anymore. I think this is the most swelling I'll get, which I'm fine with. I can handle this. I like this volume. It's cool with me. And dryness. It's not going anywhere. My hair still soaks up and eats oil and water like it's nothing. But dryness is a factor, and I think my hair is getting more defined, which I like because I think it's building its own character. Some of them look a little weird, I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know what's going on there, but I'm hoping with time they'll just smooth out, I guess. I hope. But the lint, goddamn, I gotta take off this lint. But yeah, other than that, I have traveled with this hair. I swim every day with this hair. I swim 3 days a week with this hair. It don't get any easier than this. I wash, braid it up, call it a day, and I let it air dry. Sometimes I'll go under the dryer if it's still wet at night. But I have no complaints so far other than the dryness and the lint. But the fuzziness is going away. Ain't that something? It's not going away completely, but it's less. So the fuzziness is less. Dryness is still an issue. I feel like there's some kind of grayish color to it. It kind of looks grayish and not really black, but that might be me. I need to be more careful with lint and figure out a way to not get lint or get rid of lint. If you know any tips or tricks, please leave them down in the comment. I don't know what to do about the lint, but I am loving it, and I'm loving this hairstyle today and my interlock. My hair is fresh to death. I love it. And that's month 10. So I'll keep you guys posted, and next month we'll be back for next month we'll be back for month 11. So we're getting close to our 1 year. Yay. But this is what I do. And oh, I use the interlock needle to do my hair, because someone had asked me that, what needle do I use. It's a pretty big needle. I bought it on Amazon. It came in this thin, and oops, it looks like this. This is what I use to interlock my hair. And I still use, oh yeah, had to be, let's see if we can get this, the light focus. Okay, look, I use the Hydra Interesting Paste with avocado and kiwi from Natural. So this is it, and that's what I use to interlock my hair. So that was it for today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.